Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and all of you who are new to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm Shreya Agarwal and I'm here to entertain you with my fashion and beauty tips out there. Also guys, in today's video there is no fashion, there is no beauty, but tell me it's food. So yes guys, in today's video I'm gonna try some of the food items which I recently bought from the modern market. It's not there in Agra but it's there in Delhi NCR. So I recently went to Delhi and bought some of the items which are not available so easily. So whatever I thought would be good enough and I can eat it, I've grabbed everything. And also guys, today is the day when I'm gonna open all of them. I've literally told everybody in my family that don't eat it. I will first make a YouTube out of it and share the whole packaging and everything with you all. Only then everybody else would be like allowed to eat it. So yes guys, without making this video longer, let's get into the video. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. It will mean the absolute world to me. I've seen कि आप लोग मेरे YouTube को subscribe नहीं करते लेकिन videos देखते हो. I can just give you the whole thing out here जिसमें पूरा percentage होता है कि how many of you have subscribed and how many of you just see my videos but never like, never subscribe. Please do it guys. यह free है, आप देख रहे हो, आप entertain हो रहे हो, then why not just subscribe to my channel and just motivate me a little bit more so that मैं बहुत ज़्यादा regular हो जाऊँ YouTube videos में. क्योंकि अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैं बना तो रही हूँ videos but अगर मुझको कोई motivation नहीं आ रहा like from your likes, from your views या जो भी है, तो there is no point of doing it further. So please guys, if you want me to be more regular, then please subscribe to my channel, like it, comment below. These are the only few things we all YouTubers need from you, and it's the only thing which makes us motivated, keeps us motivated and help us. Starting off with my video with these cookies. These are the choco chip cookies and let's just try them. This is how the packaging looks like and it's not easily available on the stores. So these modern stores, modern market are the kind of places you have them in. So yeah, where is my scissor gone? Arey yaar, I'm just gonna cut it in front of you and have a bite. So this is how these cute tiny cookies look like. I think ये बहुत fudgy होने वाली है and they will be very nice to eat. Guys, they are bomb. I love it because I love cookies which are like have a really nice chocolatey flavor. I'm salivating already. So these are the type of cookies which I love because they have a really nice chocolate flavor to it. They are not that sweet as well and I love it. Also for the prices, I'm gonna link and try to mention all the prices below here as well. And अगर मुझे इनके links Amazon या कहीं भी ऐसी जगह मिलते हैं, I will definitely link them below as well. Now the second item are these salted caramel popcorn. एंड ये गाइज मुझे लगता है आप लोगों ने बहुत जगह देखा होगा एंड दिस ब्रांड इज़ लाइक वेरी फेमस फॉर पॉपकॉर्न्स. इट्स द 4700 BC वन एंड दे आर लाइक गूरमे पॉपकॉर्न्स या एंड मोस्टली ये आपको PVRs एंड ऑल में ही मिलते हैं एंड अब इसके पैकेट्स भी आने लगे. सो या लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई देम. वैसे भी आई लाइक बीइंग स्वीट एंड सॉल्टी एट द सेम टाइम बट पॉपकॉर्न में इट्स नॉट माई जॉनर एट ऑल. आई डोंट लाइक स्वीट पॉपकॉर्न बट मैंने सोचा लेट्स ट्राई इट एंड सी कि कैसा फ्लेवर होता है एंड आई एम वेरी स्केप्टिकल. मुझे नहीं पसंद है स्वीट पॉपकॉर्न. सो लेट मी सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट फॉर मी. आई एम जस्ट गोना ओपन इट and smell. Okay, smell is good surprisingly because मुझे नहीं लगा था मुझे smell भी पसंद आएगी but it's good and this is how the popcorns are inside. Now let me have one. No. I can't have it. I really thought मुझे अच्छा लगेगा but नहीं. Salted popcorn are the best. The butter popcorn or even the spicy ones or something with cheese I can have, लेकिन ये वाला नहीं हो पाएगा यार. I thought मुझे अच्छा लगेगा but नहीं, I cannot have it. Now moving a slight towards the salty thing. So this is the one. It's a croissant and I got like a lot of bakery stuff like the bagel, then some buns and everything of that sort, but all of that has already been finished, so this is the only thing which is left. And also I had got like small mini croissant as well, so those are also finished, so this is the only thing left. So I thought why not just show this to you all. And the market is known as the Modern Bazaar store, and this one is why we went to Def Call basically, and there we saw this market. I even went to the same market in Select City. It was there in basement. I don't know if it's still there or not, but earlier it was, and they had like their whole range of bakery stuff which was yum. And we got like bagel, croissant, mini croissant, buns and everything was delicious and I love it. So the fourth item which I'm going to show you, I used it as a spread for all my bagels and croissant and buns, everything. So this is the Epigamia cream cheese, which was yum as hell, guys. If you like cheese and if you like that salty cheese flavor, then go for it. Like, I am a sucker for cheesecakes and things which are made up of cheese. So yes guys, if you also come from that kind of group, then go for it. I love it, and I would suggest you guys to try it because it's I am salivating right now, but yeah, it's yum. Now my next item are these Oreo wafers. I guess you all might be knowing about it because in Agra also I have seen these in some of the stores now available. So yeah, but I thought why not just try it in front of you. So this is the Dutch cocoa wafer. So I'm just going to open it and try it with you all. So these are like very thin wafers, as you can see, and they have like a vanilla filling inside, because this is how Oreo is, like you have the chocolate on top and the vanilla cream between it. So let's try. Like normal wafers only, not such a great thing, nothing new. Even I feel the biscuits are better than the wafer. So yeah, not great, but if you love wafers, then you'll definitely find it yum. Now what I'm going to show you is something which I was searching for a very long time. मैंने Amazon भी search किया, I even searched in many of the stores in Agra, but none of the place had it. So this is what I'm talking about. These are the McVitie biscuits, which are the chocolate thins. And I guess I got the dark chocolate flavor. Yeah, I got the dark chocolate flavor because I love dark chocolate. And let's try it now. So let's open it and see how it is and how the packaging is. Okay, oh, this is so nice. And let's open it and have it. ये एकदम ना वैसा feel दे रहा है. Like if you people know about the Swiss chocolates, उसमें एक brand है Lindt. They also have a chocolate which is known as Thins. The name of the chocolate is only Thins. So they are also like very thin layered square chocolates, and they are like popcorn. Like you can have a lot of at once because they are very thin and एक से तो मन भर ही नहीं सकता. So ये एकदम वैसा ही फील दे रहे हैं मेरे को. लेट्स ट्राई इट. बहुत गंदी तरीके से खोला है मैंने, बट ठीक है. या ओह, दे आर एक्चुअली वेरी थिन एंड ये थोड़े से मेल्ट हो गए हैं बिकॉज ये बहुत देर से मेरे यहाँ पे मेरे पास रखे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली रूम में तो ये थोड़ा सा मेल्ट होंगे. इट्स यम. If you like dark chocolate, then do try it. It's very good because I like something which is like not very sweet and salty at the same time. So yeah, the biscuit is like salty and the chocolate obviously sweet, so it's a very good combination. Oh god guys, trust me, अगर आपको ये Amazon पे मिल रहे हो ना, then go for it. Very good. So the next item which I'm going to show you are these Lotus Biscoff biscuits, and यू ऑल नो कि इन बिस्किट्स का कितना हाइप है आजकल. यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स मेड आउट ऑफ इट, लाइक चीज़ केक, इवन यू हैव अ स्प्रेड आउट हियर. सो या देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, ये बहुत ही नॉर्मल बिस्किट्स है. इट्स लाइक अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव वर्जन ऑफ पार्ले जी. यू ऑल नो कि पार्ले जी बिस्किट्स में एक 8 का पैकेट इज़ फॉर लाइक 5 रुपीज़ और 10 रुपीज़, और ये वाले का 169 रुपीज़ का ये 8 बिस्किट्स का पैकेट है. सो या इट्स अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव बट स्टिल लेट्स ट्राई इट. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ये मिलान में खाए थे एंड देयर इट यूज्ड टू बी सर्व्ड अस विद द कॉफ़ी, एंड तब ये बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेंसिव नहीं लगता था बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे तो रेट्स ही थोड़े डिफरेंट होते थे. तो आई नेवर न्यू कि ये इतने लग्जरी बिस्किट्स में आते हैं. एंड या सो लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई इट. मेरे लिए वहाँ पे तो ये बहुत नॉर्मल बिस्किट्स ही लगते थे. सो बेसिकली दीज आर लाइक अ पैक ऑफ 2 in one, and this is the actual packaging which we used to get in Milan. वो जो vending machine होता था उसमें एक साइड पे you had the coffees and एक साइड पे you have the biscuit options. तो उसमें ये वाला biscuit option हमेशा होता था and I guess उसमें यही एक option था biscuit का. So yeah, we used to have coffee and a packet of it. Let's open it and have a biscuit. मुझे लग रहा है मुझे sugar rush होने वाला है because I am having everything which is very sweet. The biscuit is very good. It has a little bit of that caramel flavor which is nice and it's not very overpowering because वो जो caramel flavor है बहुत ज़्यादा burnt feel है. I like it because मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा sweet चीज़ें बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, तो वो caramel का एक burnt flavor आ रहा है and I'm liking it. and crunchy भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Wait, I'll just give you an ASMR. So this is like that crunchy and I love it. Yum yum yum. The second last item are these Harvey's crunchy biscuits and ये वाला जो सेम है इस टाइप के, like these are very small wafer bite kind of biscuits and ये एक बार में you can have one and you are good to go kind of है. ये सेम अमेज़ॉन पे आई अर्लियर बॉट इट. उसका ब्रांड कुछ डिफरेंट था. आई मेंशन द ब्रांड एंड द बिस्किट राइट ओवर हियर. वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा यम था. उसका भी मैंने आई गेस डार्क चॉकलेट फ्लेवर ही ऑर्डर किया था एंड दैट वाज हेल यम. सो लेट्स ट्राई इट एंड देखते हैं कि ये उससे बेटर है या नहीं है. ये फ्लेवर है आपका हेज़लनट एंड वैनिला फ्लेवर. इसकी पैकेजिंग का बेस्ट पार्ट है कि आप इसको ना, इट्स अ जिप लॉक वन, तो यू कैन ईजिली जस्ट हैव इट एंड कीप इट. ओहो, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया यार मेरे लिए. वाइट आई डोंट थिंक ये मुझे पसंद आने वाला है बिकॉज इट गोना बी हेल्थ स्वीट. एक्चुअली में मुझे लगा था ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा चॉकलेटी होंगे बिकॉज एज पर द पैकेजिंग यू कैन सी इसमें कितना ज़्यादा चॉकलेट दिख रहा है. तो आई थॉट कि ये थोड़ा चॉकलेटी होगा बट अंदर से तो ये एकदम ही प्योर वाइट है. सो या दीज आर लाइक जस्ट फॉर 99 रुपीज़ एंड वो जो मैंने ऑर्डर किए थे देवर ए लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव. वो 200 या 300 का इससे भी छोटा पैकेट था. सो या बट दे वर वर्थ द बाय बिकॉज वो लिटरली हमने लाइक 2 days में फिनिश कर दिया. देवर सो यम. मैं उसका पक्का से इमेज लगा दूंगी सो दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड बाय इट. लास्टली आई हैव दिस चॉकलेट. इट्स द किंडर जॉय वेफर चॉकलेट. बेसिकली इसमें ऊपर की तरफ चॉकलेट एक वेफर रहता है जो चॉकलेट से कवर्ड होता है एंड अंदर इसमें किंडर जॉय वाला सेम फ्लेवर होता है. फॉर द इट्स लाइक द सेम थिंग जो आपको किंडर जॉय के वो जो छोटे छोटे बच्चों के लिए नहीं आते हैं, एक काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग जो रहता है. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट काइंड ऑफ दैट सेम थिंग बट ये थोड़ा सा लाइक स्टिक फॉर्म में है. एंड लेट्स ट्राई इट. आई हैव द अदर पैकेट एज वेल सो आई एम जस्ट गोना यूज़ इट एंड ट्राई इट. दिस इज़ हाउ. पैकेजिंग तो काफ़ी सही है. सी यू कैन सी गाइज इसमें ना ऐसे ये वेफर है जो आपको देख रहा है एंड इट्स ऑल कवर्ड विद चॉकलेट और अंदर से भी यू हैव द सेम थिंग इनसाइड, ऐसे चॉकलेट, वाइट चॉकलेट. ये तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड. इट्स वेरी नाइस. इट्स वेरी यम. सो बेसिकली इफ़ यू लाइक किंडर जॉय वो जो एग वाला थिंग आता है, इफ़ यू लाइक दैट देन इट्स द सेम फ्लेवर. सो it's really good. I like that also. I like this also. So yeah, it's really good. So basically if you keep it in the refrigerator and then have it तो ये ज़्यादा अच्छा टेस्ट देता है because everything is all frozen, then not frozen kind, but you understand the point and you get me. Also guys, I'm not gonna rate anything because I'm not a food blogger and I'm not into food at all. So whatever I feel tastes really good for me and I would love to have it again and again are these chocolate chip cookies. These are like really yum and I would definitely buy it again. And also the digestive biscuits, these are the ones I'm talking about. So these are the two things which I would love to buy again and again. Otherwise और सारी चीज़ें I would think a bit, but ये दोनों चीज़ें तो I love a lot. Also guys, if I talk about something salty, then go for this spread guys, because ये बहुत अच्छी है and I have literally used it in all my things because it is that yum and I loved it so much. That's it for the video guys. I really hope you like this small food haul and I just made a little effort for you all. So yeah, do tell me if you like such videos, and if you do, I would love to make more such videos. I would try different food and make it more fun for you. So yes guys, if you really do like my video, then you know what all you have to do. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world to me. Till then, bye bye. Love you.